How to fix channel sign up isn't allowed in the app, but existing subscription can be watched Amazon. So if you want to fix channel sign up isn't allowed in the app, but existing subscription can be watched on Amazon, then what you need to do is you could try these steps. So first things first, what you can do is go ahead and open up your Prime Video application, or you can also use your browser, and then check your payment details. Now make sure that the card number, expiry date, and a 3-digit security code are correct. You could also check the digital order for a prompt to update your payment details. Apart from it, you could also go ahead and verify your card. So you could check whether you have actually verified or not, and ensure that the country setting in your Amazon account are set to United States. Likewise, if nothing seems to be working out, then contacting the support team would be a convenient way to fix this issue. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.